Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 Garmin watch in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading Garmin watch that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Garmin vívoactive 5, the ultimate companion for your fitness journey. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just getting started, this smartwatch has something for everyone. The vívoactive 5 boasts a vibrant AMOLED display that brings your health stats to life. From heart rate data to workout summaries, everything looks crisp and colorful. Ever wondered when to recharge or take a break? Body battery energy monitoring has your back. It analyzes sleep, stress, and workouts, giving you personalized insights. No more guesswork. Say goodbye to restless nights. The vívoactive 5 calculates your sleep score and offers coaching tips. Plus, it tracks HRV status, essential for understanding your overall health. Ready to move? With 30+ indoor and GPS sports apps, this watch covers it all. Walking, running, cycling, HIIT, swimming, golf, you name it. Your fitness routine just got an upgrade. Wheelchair users, rejoice. The vívoactive 5 tracks pushes, not just steps. And don't forget the automatic nap detection, because even superheroes need a power nap. In conclusion, in a nutshell, the Garmin vívoactive 5 is more than a smartwatch, it's your health partner. Number 4. The Garmin Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or a fitness junkie, this rugged GPS watch might just be your new adventure companion. Let's explore its features and performance. The Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar harnesses the sun's energy to keep you going. With its scratch-resistant power sapphire lens and always-on 1.3-inch display, you won't miss a beat. Plus, it extends battery life, perfect for those long hikes or trail runs. Whether you're hiking, cycling, or swimming, this watch has you covered. It supports applications like elevation tracker, distance tracking, fitness monitoring, and sleep tracking. It's like having a personal coach on your wrist. Indoors, you'll get up to 18 days in smartwatch mode. But here's the kicker, with just 3 hours of direct sunlight, it can go up to 22 days. And in GPS mode, it's a whopping 57 hours indoors or 73 hours with solar charging. Talk about endurance. Your health matters, and the Fenix 7 takes it seriously. Wrist-based heart rate monitoring, pulse ox, stress tracking, it's all here. Remember, though, this isn't a medical device, it's an estimation of your activity and metrics. In conclusion, so, adventurers, whether you're conquering peaks or hitting the fairway, the Garmin Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar has your back. Number 3. The Garmin Forerunner 55. This sleek GPS running watch promises to be your trusty companion on those early morning jogs and intense training sessions. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Forerunner 55 keeps things simple. Strap it on, and you're good to go. It monitors your heart rate right from your wrist and uses GPS to track your runs. No fuss, no complications. Worried about charging yet another device? Fear not. In smartwatch mode, this watch can last up to 2 weeks. When you're out conquering trails, it'll keep going for up to 20 hours in GPS mode. That's some serious endurance. Want to run your best? The Forerunner 55 provides race time predictions and finish time estimates. Plus, it covers more than just running, cycling, track runs, virtual runs, pool swims, Pilates, HIIT, and even breath work. It's like having a personal coach on your wrist. Beyond workouts, this watch tunes into your body. Check out intensity minutes, fitness age, and all-day respiration data. It's like having a mini health center strapped to your arm. In conclusion, in summary, the Garmin Forerunner 55 is a versatile companion for fitness enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just starting out, its user-friendly design, impressive battery life, and smart features make it a worthy addition to your gear collection. Number 2. The Garmin Venu Square. The Venu Square boasts an impressive 6-day battery life in smartwatch mode. Whether you're tracking your steps or monitoring your heart rate, this watch won't leave you hanging. Plus, it can go up to 14 hours in GPS mode for those intense outdoor workouts. With over 20 preloaded sports apps, the Venu Square keeps you motivated. From running and cycling to mindful breathing and golf, it's got you covered. And if that's not enough, create custom workouts using the Garmin Connect app. Never miss a call or text, smart notifications keep you in the loop. Pair it with your smartphone, and those alerts will pop up right on your wrist. Plus, Garmin Pay lets you leave your wallet at home, tap and pay hassle-free. Safety features like incident detection and notification ensure you're covered during activities. If something goes wrong, your live location is sent to designated contacts. Peace of mind, anyone? Beyond fitness, the Venu Square monitors your body battery energy levels, respiration, hydration, stress, and even your menstrual cycle. It's like having a personal health coach on your wrist. In conclusion, whether you're a fitness fanatic or just want a stylish smartwatch, the Garmin Venu Square ticks all the boxes. Number 1. The Garmin Instinct 2S Camo-Edition. If you're all about exploring the great outdoors, stick around because this watch might just be your new adventure buddy. First up, let's talk durability. The Instinct 2S is like that friend who's always up for an extreme hike. It's water-rated to a whopping 100 meters, so whether you're kayaking or caught in a sudden downpour, your watch won't bail on you. Plus, the fiber-reinforced polymer case and scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass mean it can handle a tumble or two. No one wants a dead watch in the middle of nowhere. Good news, the Instinct 2S won't leave you hanging. With up to 21 days in smartwatch mode and 22 hours in GPS mode, it's got the stamina of a marathon runner. Lost in the wilderness? Fear not. The Instinct 2S has your back with its built-in 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter. And here's the cool part, it supports multiple global navigation satellite systems, GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. You'll never take a wrong turn again. Beyond adventure, this watch cares about your well-being. It tracks your heart rate, sleep patterns, and even pulse ox. Remember, it's not a medical device, but it gives you a solid estimation of your activity levels. Plus, those built-in sports apps? Perfect for runners, cyclists, swimmers, and gym enthusiasts. In conclusion, alright, fellow explorers, that's a wrap on our Garmin Instinct 2S Camo-Edition review. Whether you're conquering peaks or just surviving your daily commute, this watch is up for the challenge. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.